How to get animated text in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create animated text in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application. You can see I have already opened up the project in my YT Create application, and now to add the text on this project I have to tap right here on the text, and you can see I can add the text effect. After that, let me select one of the effect from there. I can search it and I can select my desired text from there. First of all, let me change the subject of my text. So let me tap my text. After that, you have to tap on done, and now you can see animation option at the bottom of the screen. So you have to tap right here on the animation, and now you can see different options are available for the animated text. You have to select one of the effect. Let me select this one, and you can see this effect will be created. So this is how you can easily animate your text on YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.